Start. I am afraid that the measures we have adopted are not nearly strong enough. Full stop. If we hope ever to get Mr. Crook to settle this diet, comma, I believe it will be necessary to bring more pressure to bear on him. Full stop. The property is located on the northwest corner of Spring Street. Full stop. This is a good spot for a store. Full stop. The price which the owners ask is remarkably low. Semicolon. Indeed, comma, the property can be purchased today for a mere trifle of its worth. Full stop. Originally, comma, of course, the owners asked much more for the building. Full stop. We are sure that you will think favorably of this corner, comma, and we suggest that you look it over as soon as possible. Full stop. It is near all transit facilities, comma, and in our view you could not locate your store in a more desirable spot. Full stop. Manor Park is a delightful place in the spring and summer. Full stop. The park is full of trees, comma, shrubs, comma, and flowers. Full stop.